So this is our grand suite tour. Coming inside the grand suite, you have a kitchenette. Don't mind the sunglasses, we just came from the poolside. You have some chips, you have a stove, you got a couple of amenities, you got some real plates and a microwave and a full stove for those who decide to cook. Dishwasher in case you want to clean some dishes afterwards. If you get your friends on the next room, it just has a conjoining door. We don't really need to use it, but you know, it's nice to have worst case scenario. Little dining area. And right before the dining area, well, right after the dining area, you got the living room area. You do have a TV, place to sit, another phone just in case you could entertain your friends here. You also have a little door to the terrace. You can have your breakfast, dinner, lunch out here. As you can see. Let me show you some of the views that you get. We have tennis courts outside. And this is pretty much our little yard. In case you want to explore, walk around the lands. Beautiful palm trees. So now let's go back inside. Let's show you what else we have to offer right here. So you get our full view of the Grand Suite. Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. So you have a king size bed. You do have a lot of ceiling fans over here. Have a small TV, some a little smaller side, but it's all right. It's very intimate. You have another way out to the terrace. Let's see. I think I have to hit down, or is it up? It's one of those. I think I locked down, honestly, guys, but you kind of get the point. So you do get the full-size mirrors right here. As you can see, you'll see me. And behind the mirrors, you got pretty much closet space. We have a couple of our items inside from traveling. You also have an in-room safe. Make sure you use it for those valuable items. It does come with a dual his and her sink. This is like a half a bathroom because it comes with a very big, very large jacuzzi. And as you can tell, you can fit full-blown adults in here for entertaining you and the wife, however you decide to do it. You know, have a nice, comfy area to just unwind and relax. Plenty of space to put your liquor, your bottles, your cups on the side of it, while still overlooking a little terrace and, you know, a little glimpse of the TV. Very nice. So now you're in the bathroom. So when you come into the bathroom, you can come in from the bedroom. You have one sink in the bathroom. So you got a total of 3 sinks in this room. You have a standing shower, little rainfall shower over here with a shower head. Some amenities, you know, they provide soap, conditioner, shampoo, shower gel. This is your wonderful toilet. Well, the room does come with some robes and some slippers. The floor gets pretty cold at night, just a FYI. It's like all marble. Some more amenities. It does come with some toothbrushes and toothpaste in case you're traveling and you forgot. And here's another exit into the kitchenette area. So in case, you know, you come from the bedroom, bathroom, boom, come right outside, and you're ready to go back outside. So this is a little grand suite, Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. What you see is what you get. Very nice.